According to the Formnext slogan, ideas take shape. We have today the opportunity to get some insights from our partner, Mr. Wei Fu, from the Institute of Energy Process Engineering and Chemical Engineering at the Technical University of Freiberg. Wei, we did a good job together, I guess. We as Oerlikon are proud to have the first time a successful qualification, a full TÜV certified supply chain for a pressure loaded component. And the other insights we get from you, right?
Thanks, Ralph. It's also my great pleasure to be here. I'm very proudly to present this kind of application-oriented design for in situ flame monitoring system. With the help of Oerlikon AM expert, we overcome lots of technical challenges for this development. Finally, we get also very good feedback from the notified body, that means TÜV. This part is also suitable for the high pressure applications, that means for pressure equipment for the processors. So thanks for the intensive collaboration and help us to make our idea over design development to a finally technical, reliable construction. Thanks. I'd like to say without Oerlikon AM, we cannot meet our outstanding achievement. Thanks a lot again.
Thank you very much, Wei. Thank you very much.